Emergencies can happen at any moment: storms, power outages, or worse. But are you really prepared? You might think you've got everything under control, but even the most seasoned preppers make mistakes. In this video, we're going to cover 10 common mistakes people make when preparing for an emergency and how to avoid them. First up, not rotating your food supplies. Stockpiling is great, but it doesn't do you any good if it expires before you use it. Set reminders to rotate canned goods, dried foods, and other perishables every 6 months. Next, relying too heavily on one power source. Generators are fantastic until they run out of fuel or break down. Make sure you have multiple backup options like solar chargers or battery packs. You don't want to be left in the dark, literally. Mistake number 3, ignoring personal needs. Do you or your family members take medications? Have special dietary needs? Don't forget to account for allergies, prescriptions, or even your pet's needs when preparing. One of the biggest mistakes is not storing enough water. You need at least 1 gallon per person per day for drinking and sanitation. Don't forget about your pets too. And make sure you have purification methods like filters or tablets on hand. Packing a bug-out bag is essential, but overpacking it? That's a rookie mistake. You want to keep it light and mobile. Only pack the essentials. Trust me, you won't want to lug a 50-pound bag if you're on the move. Mistake number 6, not having a communication plan. Cell towers can go down and the internet can fail. Make sure you have a way to stay in touch with family or emergency services, like walkie-talkies or an emergency radio. Securing your home can easily be overlooked. Reinforce windows and doors, install motion-activated lights, and keep a fire extinguisher handy. You never know when a small step can make a big difference. What's the point of having gear if it doesn't work? Always test your emergency gear before you actually need it. You don't want to discover your flashlight doesn't work when the power goes out. Yes, emergencies are serious, but failing to include comfort items can make a stressful situation even worse. Simple things like extra blankets, books, or small games for the kids can help keep morale high when the situation drags on. And finally, the biggest mistake of all, procrastination. Waiting until an emergency happens to get prepared is a recipe for disaster. Start today and make sure you're ready before disaster strikes. By avoiding these 10 mistakes, you'll be better prepared for any emergency that comes your way. Want more tips? Check out our other videos on emergency preparedness and don't forget to subscribe.